Hi, I'm Patrick Reid from the Adamas Principle. Some top line stuff and a few charts for you today. Let's look at the US macro picture. Now, there's been an interesting narrative, bit of a divergence with the hard data and the soft data. Soft data at the time was saying, especially through ISMs, not all is well, so the survey-based data. The hard data has actually significantly bounced. So let's just go through some of that. CPI, no worries there, and obviously J Powell referring to minimal upside risk, or downside as well. Wages was pretty poor from 3.2 to 2.9. Now it's bounced back at 3%, no worries there. Interestingly, GDP at 1.9. The expectation was 1.6. Now that is no horror show. And jobs, absolutely fine. Retail sales will cause a few eyebrows. I expect some continuation on some moves there. And ISMs, you know, the services sector has bounced back to 54 from 52. Prior to that was 56. So all is well there. Obviously, the ISM manufacturing still sub 50. So all is not well there, but you know, it's kind of priced in. All in all, the dollar, let's look at the first chart, dollar index. The dollar is really capitalizing on this. The buying of the dollar recently has been relentless. Talk of risk off and phase one troubles, I'm not so sure. I just think this is a drawn out, brutal squeeze. A flow-driven, brutal squeeze. And as you can see, 97.87 broke. There's some taking profit around 98.30. If we stay above 98, expect more upside. 99, not a bad figure for the dollar index. And let's look at euro dollar. Okay, so what happened with euro dollar? It was around 109.80. The mid-Bollinger Band broke. It retested. Happy days. 111.88. It just could not. It tried on numerous occasions. I think the high was 79. From then on, it's just been weaker and weaker, and it broke through around 111, the mid-Bollinger Band. And as you can see, this looks very weak. There's a failure to stay above the mid-Bollinger Band on the daily. You look at the trend channel, it's beautiful, really. However, the level, the monster marine level to watch is 108.57. The next slide, please. Okay, so this is dollar yen, obviously fluctuating with the phase one rollbacks. Will they, won't they? There's some dissenters in the White House. Let's just say some soothing tones today, but 106.88 versus 109.52, probably the levels, the range levels to be played for. So watch this space. Next slide. Cable. Okay, it is a political currency. Risk should be adjusted. That said, 127.75, if you go back 4 years, it's a robust level. It is absolutely rock. So again, it tested that time and time again. So just if that breaks, you could see 125.60 area get tested. And finally, you know, this is risk off, but also a strong dollar, primarily a strong dollar because there has been relentless buying, as you saw on the dollar index. 68.40, the key to cap. That's me, Patrick Reid, Adamas Principle. Watch that risk.